Hello class, today we are going to draw the mirror equation for concave mirror and convex mirror. We will start with the concave mirror first. Now let's draw a picture of it. M dash is the concave mirror. X dash is the principal axis. P is the pole here. Now O is the object here. O is the point object here that is situated on the principal axis. And OA and OP are two incident rays. Okay. And AB and PO are two reflected rays. Now we can see that AB they meet with the first reflected ray, that is PO, at the point O dashed. Now O dashed is the real image of the point object O. Okay, so we can write that O is the O is the point object and O dashed is the image. And here C is the center of curvature. Let's draw a line from C to A. Okay. Now we know that CA is the radius that is normal to the surface. Okay. From the laws of reflection, we find that OAC is the angle of incidence and O dash AC is the angle of reflection, and these two are equal to each other. So we can write that OAC is equal to O dashed AC. Okay. And in the triangle OAO dashed, here we can say that CA is the bisector of the angle OAO dashed. Okay. So we know that in a triangle, the bisector of the vertical angle divides the base in the ratio of sides. So we can write that CO by CO dashed is equals to AO and AO dashed. Now taking the pole as origin, we will put the sign convention first. Here object distance is PO. As O is the point object, we have to measure the distance from the pole. So PO is the object distance. We can write PO as minus U. Now the image distance is O dashed is the image here, PO dashed, that is minus V, and the radius of curvature is PC equals to minus R. A is very near to P as the aperture of the mirror is very small. So we can say that AO is equals to PO and AO dashed equals to PO dashed. Therefore, CO by CO dashed is equal to PO by PO dashed. We can write CO as, CO is, this part is named as CO. So we can write this as PO minus PC. Okay, PO minus PC divided by CO dash can be written as CO dashed. Can be written as PC minus PO dashed. PC minus PO dashed equals to PO by PO dashed. Putting the above formula, we get that PO equals to minus U, PC equals to minus R, PC equals to minus R again, minus R, PO dash equals to minus V. Here PO equals to minus U and PO dash equals to minus V. Equating this formula, we get that minus U plus R minus R plus V equals to minus U divided by V. I have to rub this part to complete this equation. Now, cross multiplying, we get that minus V minus U plus R equals to minus U minus R plus V. Okay. VU minus VR equals to UR minus UV. Okay. Or we can write that UR plus VR equals to 2VU. Okay. Dividing both sides with UVR, we get UR divided by UVR plus VR divided by UVR equals to 2VU plus UVR. 1 by V plus 1 by U equals to 2 by R. Okay. This is the mirror equation. We can replace the R part with F. We know that R equals to 2F. So, F equals to R by 2. Okay. Here we see that 2 by R is written. Okay. So, 2 by R can be formed like this. 1 by F equals to 2 by R. So, we can write this equation as 1 by V plus 1 by U equals to 1 by F. Okay. Now, let's draw the mirror equation for convex mirror. M dash is the convex mirror here. X dash is the principal axis. O is the point object here. P is the pole here. The first incident ray OP falls on the surface of the mirror and the second incident ray OA falls on the surface of the mirror. Now, the reflected ray is PO and AB. Okay. Now, these two reflected ray will meet at the point O dash when they are produced backward. Now, I am producing the second reflected ray AB backward, that is like this, and the first reflected ray PO are produced backward like this and meet at a point O dashed. Okay. Now here as we see that O dash is the virtual image of the point object O. Okay. So O is the object, O dash is the virtual image. Now applying sign convention, we can write that object distance equals to object distance is PO. As we have said that we have to measure the distance from the pole. So PO. PO can be written as minus U. Okay. Image distance is PO dashed, as O dashed is the image and we have measured the distance from pole, that is plus V. Radius of curvature is PC. We know that for convex mirror, the radius of curvature or the center of curvature situated at this part of the mirror. Okay. So this will be plus R. Okay. Now I have to draw a line from C to A that will extend further up to N dash. That is like this. C to A that will extend further to N dash. Now CAN dash is the normal to the surface at the point A. Okay. So from the laws of reflection we get that OAN dash and BAN dash are equal to each other, as OAN dash is the angle of incidence and BAN dash is the angle of reflection. From this we can write that angle OAN dash is equals to angle BAN dash. Okay. Now CAN dash is also the bisector of OAO dash. In triangle OAO dash, CAN dash acts as a external bisector. Okay, external bisector of OAO dash. So from this we can write that CO by CO dash can be written as CO by CO dash can be written as AO and AO dash. AO divided by AO dash. Okay. Now as the aperture of the mirror is very small, so we can say that A is very near to P. So from this we can write that AO is equals to PO and AO dash is equals to PO dash. Applying these two equations to the first one, we get that CO dash is equals to PO dash. Okay. Now CO can be written as CO. Okay. We can write it like PO plus PC. PO plus PC divided by CO dash can be written as PC minus PO dash. PC minus PO dash is equals to PO divided by PO dash. Now putting the value, we get that PO equals to minus U, PC equals to plus R, PC equals to plus R again. PO dashed. This is O dashed, right? As CO dashed can be written as PC minus PO dashed. Okay, this is O dashed. PO dash can be written as plus V. PO is minus U and PO dash is plus V. Okay. Plus V into minus U plus R equals to minus U into R minus V, or minus UV plus VR equals to minus UR plus UV. So, VR plus UR equals to UV plus UV. That can be written as 2UV. Okay. Dividing the both sides by UVR, we get that is 1 by U plus 1 by V equals to 2 by R. We know that R equals to 2F. Also, we can write 2R as 1 by F. Putting this, we get 1 by U plus 1 by V equals to 1 by F. This is the mirror equation for convex mirror. Thank you, class.